of October, we are on our way to a thrift store.
Oh, baby, to the Unique up here in Northern Virginia. Let's go.
Let's go.
We gotta get an Army Class A green skirt
For me,
so she can dress up like Isabelle.
from Animal Crossing.
That's right.
Okay, guys, say hi to my husband. And this is one of our favorite thrift stores that we like to go to. I pretty much go here at least once a week. Our theme for our Halloween this year is going to be The Nightmare Before Christmas, because we did that last year and I rather use the same decoration that we've already had. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm so excited to share my thrift store with you guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Go, go, go.
There you go. Either way. What color you got?
Oh baby, you don't even need this because you're already bald.
Thanks. Thanks.
This video was inspired by Katherine Young. She is doing a open collaboration of Thrift-O-Ween, and I decided to go ahead and join this one. I hope you guys would check out all of these wonderful people who are participating in her Thrift-O-Ween collaboration. I'm going to leave the link in my description below, and go check out all of these wonderful peoples. Here's a tip that I like to do. I like to go through all the sections of the skirts to see if I can find my skirt, because some people just put back skirts in different areas. So make sure you go through all the sizes to find what you're looking for.
Not the right color green. It's not green enough. It's more brown.
That was on the skirt, so now I'm trying to find a blouse to go underneath my sweater for my Halloween costume. So that's why I'm over here looking in both sections. I want to apologize for all the loud noises in the store. This is my first time recording out in public, so it's kind of exciting and nervous.
Where do you put your arms through?
It's like a red store. Okay, I struck out here, so I'm gonna have to try another thrift store, but that's okay. We're gonna finish looking at some other things, and then we'll check out another thrift store. Here is a candlestick holder that we found at the Unique. It's pretty. It has these little crystals and glitter on it. I think I seen one at Michael's the other day, and I think it was like a $30. I ended up spending like $4 on this, so I thought it was a good deal. All I have to do is buy me some lights to put in there. I found my skirt.
You found it.
My Halloween outfit. Isn't it pretty, guys? I'm so excited. It fits really good. Very comfortable.
Oh.
My husband found this wolf costume, and he decided to go ahead and go with this, and it's only cost us $3.99. Here is some mason jars that I got from Goodwill. They're 99 cents each, and I thought I could put candies and stuff like that, and also some teas for Halloween decorations. I don't know, I haven't figured out what we're going to do with that. And I thought this owl jar was really cute. It was only 99 cents, so I went ahead and grabbed that also. I know this isn't Halloween, but I grabbed this pillow insert to put in some pillowcases that I have bought at Goodwill. It's a leather and a cream base. I felt like it could still tie in with a this type of season, so I went ahead and showed you guys this. I'm going to leave a link down below for the playlist, so go check out that. And thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment letting me know that you're here watching. See you guys next time.